Sometimes, a single image can reveal more than a dozen leaks ever could, and that seems to be the case with the DJI Avata 360. A recently surfaced photo gives us a glimpse at DJI's next-gen FPV drone, hinting at far more than incremental upgrades. At first glance, it looks like a compact FPV drone capable of full 360 degrees capture. But look closer, and you'll see a hybrid workflow that could change how creators film, blending immersive 360 footage with traditional FPV control. The leaked image shows a connection to a GRC controller, similar to the DJI RC2. That tells us DJI is prioritizing low-latency transmission and stable connectivity, while maintaining familiarity for pilots who already use DJI controllers. Less time learning, more time creating. The drone itself draws attention immediately. Its Cine-Whoop-inspired form factor is compact and enclosed by full propeller guards, signaling DJI's focus on safety, maneuverability, and indoor-friendly flights. Whether flying through tight spaces, around obstacles, or in studios, pilots can expect confidence and control. Camera design is where things get interesting. The Avata 360 appears to feature a tilting forward-facing lens alongside 360 capture, offering a dual-mode workflow. Creators could switch between immersive 360 footage and standard FPV shots without carrying multiple drones or setups, a true hybrid system. Of course, combining FPV and 360 capture introduces challenges: more weight, more heat, and higher processing demands. How DJI manages these trade-offs will define the drone's usability. Early signs suggest careful attention to stabilization, flight dynamics, and transmission. The leak also hints at multiple batteries in the kit, signaling frequent creative use rather than casual flying. Flight times may be moderate, emphasizing precision and reliability over endurance, perfect for FPV and immersive 360 filming. Pricing seems designed for accessibility. Early reports from China suggest a standalone drone around $1,000 for a fly-more combo in the US, positioning it between hobbyist Cine-Whoops and professional FPV rigs. This makes the Avata 360 a versatile platform for both hobbyists and semi-professional creators. In short, the DJI Avata 360 isn't trying to reinvent the wheel. It's a compact, safe, and flexible hybrid drone merging FPV agility with full 360 degrees capture. With careful attention to camera versatility, stabilization, and workflow integration, DJI could deliver one of its most practical and creator-focused drones yet. Early 2026 looks set for its release, giving DJI time to refine firmware and ensure stability. If you're into immersive aerial content, the Avata 360 might just be the all-in-one solution you've been waiting for.